Hey everyone, enjoy the show. See if this guy's up to today. Hey, Jeff, what's up, man? Show him the wine you do. All right. Hey, just coming in to say hi. Oh, what's this guy doing out here? Okay.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So Jaime has just really been busting his ass on all of these really cool trade stimulators. As you know, if you've been watching our videos on these trade stimulators, I bought 100 of them 6 months ago. I'm down to about 30. I mean, they're selling like hotcakes. Out of the 100 trade stimulators, I only got one Chicago Chicago Clubhouse. I must have got about 10 of them, but only one with the profit sharing base. As you see, this one is listed. This is your basic one, and then this one has the base on it. I'm telling you, when they did these machines in the 30s, this don't get more Art Deco. If you're an Art Deco fan, this is an Art Deco machine. So once again, this has been completely taken apart. Everything has been cleaned. We used one of the really good detergents, and we completely wash them. They get lubed, oiled, serviced, and then they get repainted with the original colors in the original places that they came from the factory. So what you're looking at here, it would have been factory. This is a super cool machine. This is a penny through quarter machine. So bada boom, that's the way it works. Every time you play this, you could get a gumball. Okay, so that'll be in. We'll take our little gumball. We'll go for a quarter now. Pops out. Goes in, works good. That's the thing about our stuff, is it actually works good. I've sold a bunch of these, no problems whatsoever. Everybody loves them. If you read our feedback, you'll see our packing, shipping, and our quality of product is 100%, okay? So let's get back to the machine. This is a penny through quarter. It will play on all denominations. It's a gumball vendor. These gumballs in here are simply for display. Now this is, once again, it's got this what I call a profit sharing base on it. This one does not. Out of the 100, only one had the profit sharing base, this one. It has two coin boxes. There's one up front here, then there's a coin box here on the rear. Okay, so there's two coin boxes. Now, this is where you put your gumballs in, so the operator would load them here. This is the cool part. Okay, I'm gonna have Jeff come up and I'm gonna show you what entails on this profit sharing situation. Every time you play this, it turns this wheel. This wheel is 2, then 1, 2, then 1. So as I flip it here, this changes the door, which is situated right here. So this will shoot a coin up here, or it'll shoot 2 coins over there. Every time you play it, this turned, and then boom, it changed cash boxes. 1, 2, change cash boxes. 1, 2, change cash boxes. So it was profit sharing. So me, as an operator, I could come into your bar, place of business, and instead of me coming in and sitting and counting the money with you to take my cut, because I own the machine, you own the bar, you got one drawer, I got the other drawer. Okay, so the machine split the money. Very cool. Once again, out of all the 100, this is the only one I got with profit sharing in it. It's really super nice. It's got another 2.5-inch base on it. Profit sharing, works good, looks good, is good. Just a super nice Art Deco 1933 Daval Chicago Clubhouse multiple coin gumball trade stimulator, and works great. Great little machine, folks. And this is what you get paid. Beautiful machine. I'd even like to own that. Hey, thanks for watching our videos. folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.